Easy white bean and kale. Soup prep time, 10 mins cook time, 20 mins servings. 4. What you'll need: 2 cans, 15 Oz, cannellini beans, rind and drained, or Great Northern beans. 1 bunch lacinato kale, stems removed, leaves chopped into bite-sized pieces. 1 medium yellow onion, diced. 3 to 4 cloves garlic, minced, measure with your heart. 4 cups vegetable or chicken broth. 1 TDBSP olive oil. 1 TSP dried oregano or Italian seasoning. Salt and black pepper, to taste. Optional finish: a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Sauté the aromatics. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the onion and cook until translucent, about 5 minutes. Stir in the garlic and dried herbs, cooking for another minute until your kitchen smells amazing. The simmer. Pour in the broth and add the white beans. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then turn the heat down to low. Pro tip: for a creamier texture without adding dairy, take a fork or potato masher and crush about 1–2 cup of the beans directly in the pot. Wilt the kale. Stir in the chopped kale. It will look like a lot at first, but it wilts down significantly. Simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until the kale is tender but still bright green. Season and serve. Taste the broth. Add salt, pepper, and that squeeze of lemon. The acid really wakes up the earthy flavors. Why this works? Pantry friendly. Most of these items are probably already in your kitchen. Settings: